shock.
Only shock?
Yeah. Shock.
Just move, huh? Just I'm doing it, just move. Okay. Stop your sister.
So,
Take long break.
cold. You want to have a cup of tea or something?
Please.
Only water, sir. Only water, yeah. नीचे नीचे देखो नीचे चलो ये इसको बोल देना वो बंदा आएगा बहुत ठीक है आराम से बंदा और आ जाओ
While we were going, we sent the helicopter of the crew in the life raft. Then we used the helicopter and we pull up 8 people and then we send our boat because some people are very injured so they cannot come by helicopter, so we sent 2 boats and we put them in the boat and brought them to the ship. Now we have come here, we are very happy that the Djibouti government has very quickly given us berth and 9 ambulances have come and so many doctors. I think it is very good. It shows that how much Djibouti cares for people who are at sea.